the stock starts languishing, and then but you got to keep a track and track some of these businesses when they come to attractive kind of levels. And many of these stocks, of course, I mean, there is the liquidity aspect. People are bereft of ideas, so there's a lot of liquidity chasing underperformers, and maybe where there is beyond the short term there is growth visibility, and maybe Allied Blenders from the Alcobev space is one such player. But generally speaking, underperformance right after listing for many of these names for a few months, and then they all start to pick up again. Mayuresh, of course, is going to be with us on markets forward in a bit from now. I just want to quickly wrap up things. So Nifty is at about 26,070. Nifty Bank at 58,400 actually, 185 points higher. And of course, the mid and small cap indices, no problems today. And market breadth looking very, very solid, 2:1. The only problem point was the capital market index, which ends down about 2%. Otherwise, on the gaining side, it's oil, energy, resource companies, basically, metals. That was the winning side today.
Well, just to list out some names, NTPC was your top gainer, 3% up. Power Grid, the entire Adani Group complex had a good day. Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises, Adani Green. In the metal stocks, JSW Steel, Tata Steel, higher in trade. And then you had a Shriram Finance, SBI Life, HDFC Life also gaining close to about 2%. On the way down, Coal India posts numbers. Dr. Reddy's was the top loser. Stock closed above the 200-day moving average, but below the 50 and 100-day moving average. BEL, Eternal, M&M, Hero Motor Corp, Maruti, so auto a bit on the back foot. The Midcap index closes up with a gain of about 0.6%. Well, with that, it's a wrap on closing bell. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more news and updates.